Hey everybody, this is Anu. Welcome back to Treasury Crafts. Subscribe to my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon and select all notification option to get my instant updates every week. Today, I'm going to make this beautiful miniature sofa along with some cute little miniature stuffs by using some waste materials. Are they cute? Do let me know in comments. So I'm going to recycle all these empty soap boxes, empty packaging boxes for this craft. You can use any soap boxes. This one is an empty headset packaging box. This one is a biscuit package. So you can use any empty cardboard boxes. Now using any tape, close the openings of each box. This one is the best out of waste material craft idea. Other than glue and paint, all the things I have used are waste materials. I have been collecting this empty soap boxes and packaging boxes since long time. So next time before throwing all these packages, do remember you can make this beautiful miniature craft. Now for the base, you can either use headset box or you can use only the soap boxes. Now I'm just making a rough design for the miniature sofa I'm going to make. Now I'm going to cover all these with the waste fabric that I have collected from one of my t-shirts. So this fabric will be somewhat thick. So you can use any t-shirt to cover these things. You can either use glue gun or Fevibond to stick the fabric to the boxes. Mark and cut it. Now apply glue and stick as I do. If you are using Fevibond, you have to apply glue and then leave it for 5 minutes to dry and then you have to stick it for a strong bond. I request you to watch my video till end without skipping the video. Apply hot glue gun and cover the edges neatly. Be careful while working with hot and sharp objects. Do the same for the other end. The fabric I'm using is loop knit brushed fabric. You can use any thick cloth for this. Now cover the soap box neatly like this. While covering the edges, apply glue and press it at the corner along with the glue like this, and then you have to trim off the excess neatly. So that it looks like a cushion. Now the base is ready. Now for the sides, you have to cover it like this, somewhat differently. Apply glue and cover entirely with the fabric. For the base, we have covered only the top and the sides, leaving the bottom. But here, you have to cover it completely. For a neat finishing, apply glue and press the cloth along with the glue like this and trim off the excess. Do check the description box to know the list of materials I use. Now for the back side, you have to cover like this. Make sure you are covering the top region well. Apply glue and cover as I do. You will need 3 pieces for the back side. Now I have covered all the pieces with the cloth. Now let's assemble them together. If you are watching my video for the first time, please consider subscribing to my channel for more creative craft ideas, homemade art and craft supply making videos, and lot more creative ideas. Do recommend my channel to your family and friends who might be interested to watch my kind of videos or would love to craft. Now the miniature sofa is ready. For the side couch, I am going to use this empty biscuit package box. Seal the end with any sellotape and repeat the same process we did for other boxes. Trim off the excess neatly, and the side cushion is ready. Now let's make cute little pillows. For that, cut 2 fabric pieces like this. Draw lines so that you can stitch easily. You will need a needle and thread. Put a knot at the end. You will need some fabric pieces to stuff in. Now start stitching. I'm just doing a basic back stitch. Stitch only 3 sides, leaving one side. Leave an opening at the top so that you can fill some cloth pieces for a cushion. Now turn inside out with the help of a pencil. Fill the pillow cover with the cloth pieces and seal the end. You can either stitch or you can apply glue and close the opening. I made 2 little pillows. Now using black acrylic color to make some patterns to match the couch. I'm going to make coffee table with the same soap box. Seal the end with sellotape. I'm going to give a layer of homemade gesso or primer. I will give the recipe link in the description box. Do check it. Give a coat of primer so that paint won't come out of the soap box. Now I'm going to use these beads which I have collected from stretched out hair bands. I'm going to use this as a legs for the couch. Stick it on all 4 corners. Now completing the coffee table by giving a layer of white acrylic color for a good finishing. Now take any cardboard piece like this. You will need some old magazine papers for making miniature books. Cut 3 rectangle cardboards like this. Apply glue and stack them together. Cut a piece of magazine paper like this. Apply glue and stick it. Trim off the excess so that it appears like a pages and looks like a realistic book. Repeat the same for how many books you need. You can take different colored magazine papers like this with the letters in that, or you can even use a plain or colorful magazine paper you have. Something like this. Now for a miniature planter for the vase, I'm using this beads which I have collected from stretched out hair bands, using some leftover crepe paper which I have used for flower making, or you can even use any color papers or take a white paper, color it with a sketch pen and cut it into smaller pieces and gather them together. Seal the end like this, apply glue to the bead and insert it to make a miniature planter. Instead of beads, you can use something like this which is available at the back side of the pen. Even for the coffee table, you can use the same. Now let's assemble all together. Placing the side couch, adding some coffee table, adding some pillows to the sofa. I just made everything in black and white color. Adding some greeneries to the room. Place the miniature books that we made so that the doll can read and relax. Adding a fluffy material like this to the couch so that it looks like a blanket. And it's ready. Are they giving a realistic look? Do let me know in comments. I made these lanterns a long back for a Diwali decoration. Adding lights will elevate the entire look of the miniature room. And the beautiful miniature pieces are ready to decorate your home. If you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe. Share this video to your family and friends. Do comment on which piece you like the most. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.